Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, February the 23rd, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. We have two puzzles left, the jigsaw Sudoku and a binary. Yes, it's a binary time. This one will be number 8063. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in 1, between two O's comes in 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1, between two ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1, between the ones comes in O, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 5 here, the fourth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Excuse me. Oh, wow. Sneeze. Oh, wow. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. We solve it again. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.